This is an Agent ls5 purple belt. 2 rows, dimple pins. Try to get into it. Covert instruments, adaptive turner, 50 thousandths, and a multi-pick dimple flag. All I'm doing is going from the front to the back. Testing the pins on the top and bottom at the same time. I'm just trying to set everything I can. Let's see. That one. No. Keep getting hung up on something, but I think it's the one that if I lift it too high, there we go, it was pin 2 on the bottom, and that is the Agent ls5.